time for us because I don't think we ever held anything like this in Kebbi State since it was created. But the Borzo wanted to prove that through Borzo, decided to bring us here. And since we agreed to be hosted here by him, he never looked back. We too, we never looked back. And you can see the number of leaders that turn up for this important program. Excellency, we appreciate you, we appreciate all citizens of Kebbi State for hosting this assembly, which is the assembly of the chairman and 2 members of each of the 19 northern states and FCT. And it's held once in a while. Thank the former governor also for always supporting the governor whenever there's a program. I made a comment here a couple of months back where we even had more than we have today. But even Governor Alero was here. I'm sure something must have held him back. That's a model of that state must copy and peace and stability in our state. Excellency, the theme of the assembly this time is strengthening community collaboration for lasting peace and security in the north and by implication our country Nigeria. This theme was carefully selected due to so many issues people hearing, seen all over the country, while we have series of challenges of insecurity through banditry, through Lakurawa, through kidnapping, through Boko Haram.